like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. Today's video I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb on a headlight from a Chevy Equinox of 2nd generation. I'm going to show you how to replace and also know which light bulb to buy. To start, we're going to look in the wheel well behind the light we're going to change. There should be a lid with some screws holding it in place. Behind this, there should be another lid that you just screw off. Being very careful, unplug the light from the socket, that way you can remove the light bulb. Make sure the rubber part also comes out. If not, put your hand in there and just pull it out. On the bottom of the light bulb you can find the code. This one is H11. We're gonna get another replacement that is also H11 to make sure it fits correctly. Then we're gonna work backwards and install the light first. Make sure the lights work with the high beams and low beams. Put the first lid on. Then put the wheel well lid on. Don't forget the screws. I hope this video was of great help. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me make more videos for you guys. Thank you. Here's some other stuff we do in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see some other stuff like installing head units, light bulbs, LED lights, and more.